Hi learners. Today we will learn about reproduction. This is a biological process of reproduction. Here we will see the meaning of reproduction. So if we break the word reproduction, it will be broken into two parts, re and production. Here re means same, again we can say similar. For example, if we arrange something and again we arrange, so we can rearrange, we can say rearrange. So re means same, again or similar, and production means to produce, we can say to make or to create. So overall meaning of this word is production of similar things or organism is called reproduction. Re means same, production means produce. Production of same kinds of young ones is called reproduction. If we go for definition, so reproduction is the process of producing offspring. Here offspring means young ones और छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो कोई भी organism produce करता है. So we can say offspring, young ones, both are the similar. That are biologically means their body is biologically similar to their parents, or genetically their genetic material also similar to their parents, to the parent organism. Means एक ऐसी process in which कोई भी organism अपने जैसे young ones को produce करता है, that is called reproduction. Let us understand by the help of amoeba. You must have seen or heard about amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It is found in water, especially in pond water. Amoeba perform the process of asexual reproduction, and by the help of asexual reproduction, that is called binary fusion. Binary fusion, amoeba produce their young ones. How it produce its young ones? First of all, this is a parent cell. You can see clearly this is a parent cell. After some maturation, the parent cell start dividing its nucleus. You can see the nucleus is dividing into two parts. After dividing the nucleus, the cytoplasm that is found inside the cell will also be divided into two parts, and finally the cell will divide into two parts. So this is the parent cell, and by the help of this parent cell, the parent cell has produced two biologically or genetically similar daughter cells, and this is called reproduction, because here we have produced two new cells with the help of a parent cells. So what we actually learned in definition, we learned reproduction is the process of producing offspring that are biologically or genetically similar to the parent organism. Producing of offspring, we can say production of similar things or organism. So you can see this is the parent cell, this is the daughter cell. Thank you.